to mute and unmute someone in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. Muting and unmuting someone on WhatsApp is quite simple and can be done for individual chats or group chats. And here is how you can do it on both Android and iOS. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Once inside the WhatsApp app, go to the chat of the person or group you want to mute. Simply scroll down and long press on the chat or group you want to mute. So here simply I choose one for an example and long press on it, and an options will be given on your screen. From the options, tap on the mute. Choose how long you want to mute the chat. Then simply tap OK to confirm your choice. Now in order to unmute, do the same process. Long press on the chat. Then from the option, tap on the unmute, and the chat will now be unmuted and you will receive notifications again. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.